Dictation material has been obtained from Common Word Para 1. The young man and the young woman looked even younger than their years as they left the offices of Country Properties Limited with a few orders to view in their hands. Full stop. They were indeed two young people very much in love and recently married, and they were looking for a house. Full stop. They had been married for just 6 months, and when they got married on that cold December day, they had been believed that they would soon find a place to let, and it did not seem necessary to wait for that happy day before setting up home together. Full stop. So they had gone to live with his mother, having only one room of their own, and they had been very happy. Full stop. It was an old house, however, with no modern changes. Full stop. It was in a street lined on both sides with old houses just like it, and when April had come and the days grew longer, the young married people all at once began to long for a little house of their own with their own things in the rooms and with a little land at the back and in the front where they could plant things and watch them grow. Full stop. It did not seem very much to ask, yet it was something that was being asked by thousands of other young people. Full stop. There seemed little enough hope of their being able to get such a place because all the small houses were for sale and not to let, and they had no capital. Full stop. Will, the young man, was an engineer and may a beautiful young person with eyes so clear and true had been a maid in a big boarding house at the seaside before her marriage. Full stop. Neither of them had had any opportunity to save money and to buy even the smallest house. It was necessary to have some capital to put down for the first payment. Full stop. There had been times during that month of April and May thought that Will had lost interest in her. Full stop. He sat so often deep in thought and without speaking. Full stop. When she asked him what he was thinking about, he would answer shortly, work. Full stop. And then one day he told her the truth. Full stop. The big engineering works where he spent his days had set a competition for their workers. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretarial Law, as well as Principal Ajmer Shorten and Computer College Shadra.